Girl, chill. No guys. Kasi guys, I have different types of underwears. Yeah. Like, bakit napapa-explain ako? No, ganito kasi yan. I have different types of underwears. Sometimes kasi, hindi kasi ako yung nag-prep ng mga clothes ko. So, pinapaprep ko siya. Kunwari, tomorrow I have lakad. So, pinapaprep ko na siya today. Before kasi, yung katulong namin, aalis ako nun, yung underwear niya na binigay sa akin is my underwear here pang house. Pang house yon. I mean, it's so uncomfy pa naman if I'm outside. Then yung underwear ko is like, it's not, I don't feel my underwear. That's why lagi ko sinasabi, if like there's labas, I'll go out. Like ko sinasabi, yung underwear is like, it should be maganda. It means na maganda is yung pang-alis na underwear ko. Yun. Okay? Di ba? Napapa-explain ako sa inyo tuloy. And yung... And... Who? So, you? Yuck! Excuse me. And then, the bra that I'm talking is like, kasi, di ba, here in house, I don't wear. So, sometimes kasi, like, in outside, I also don't wear. Kaya sinasabi ko sa kanila yung bra na maganda. Means, like, for outside, I have different types of bra din kasi. I have bra na there's no foam, and then I also have bra na yung maayos. Gets? Yun. You also get it? Yeah. Uy. My eye bugs is not giving. Hoy. Ano talaga? Uy, siya. Ano siya talaga? Feeling siya talaga. No? Oo. Oo nga. No, you just let him. Ang taba mo muna, Chi. Oh, yes. Ang taba ko. I'm fat daw. No. Thanks, Dilar. Guys, nagda-diet na ako. Did you just saw my post? Yung previous post ko lang yesterday?